Welcome to part 6 of our training series on sacramental record keeping in the Archdiocese of Seattle. In this short session, we'll focus on properly recording deaths in the parish register. Although not technically a sacrament, deaths are recorded because they mark a significant rite of passage in the life of a Catholic, and they're part of the Church's pastoral care for the faithful. The funeral or death register includes the full name of the deceased as it appears in their baptismal record, the name of the funeral presider, and the date and place of burial. Some death registers include optional fields for details like age, address, parents' names, next of kin, cause of death, and more. While these are not required, it can be helpful to record this information if it's available. Appropriate sources of information for the death register include the person's baptismal record, which verifies both their name and their Catholic identity. You can also include a woman's married name in parentheses for clarity. Also, civil death records to confirm the date and details of death, or even funeral home records or a printed funeral program in situations where it may be insensitive to ask the family for official documents during a time of mourning. So this wraps up our session on recording death registers. It's a short one since there aren't many formal policy requirements around these records. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to one of our archivists. Our email is listed in the description box in this video. Up next, we'll talk about how and when sacramental records can be corrected or updated. If you're new to sacramental record keeping, we recommend watching the videos in order to gain a solid foundation. If you're more experienced, just skip around to the video topics most relevant to you. Thank you.